The state of your life is nothing more than a reflection of the state of your mind. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. No matter what circumstances have shown up in your life, the quality of your life will always and only be a reflection of your state of mind. In other words, how you feel about your life is your life. That is the very reason we have people who have nothing materially speaking, who are miserable, and others who live in a consistent, beautiful state. The same reason we have people who seemingly have it all: the money, the cars, the wealth, but are depressed, and others who have it all and feel blessed. How you feel is your life. You can be happy with a little or miserable with a lot. You can feel like you have a lot with a little and feel like you have nothing with a lot. Spending your time every day in a gratitude can shift your entire life. Spending time liberally thinking about all the things that are good in your life will not only make you feel better about your life, which is the only important thing, but it will also start attracting more better things into your life. You could call this the law of attraction, but it is really just you noticing the good around you more. Try it. There is literally nothing more important than you giving this gift to yourself. What could be more important than feeling good? I cannot always control what goes on outside, but I can always control what goes on inside. As a human being, you can guarantee one thing for sure: life will serve you up a great variety of highs and lows. Even though we are all guaranteed highs and lows, very few of us realize that we have the power to control what those highs and lows mean to us. We cannot control the circumstances and events of our lives, but we can always control our response to them. We can always control how we choose to feel about the circumstances and events. That doesn't mean it will be easy. It doesn't mean we won't have to take action. Sometimes action will be needed to better a negative situation, but we need not carry negative energy about the situation. The clearer our minds in the challenging situation, the better our response. Next time you are faced with a challenge, see if you can gain more control of your feelings in order to handle the situation in the best possible way. Our lives are a sum total of the choices we have made with everything that has happened to you. You can either feel sorry for yourself or treat what has happened as a gift. Everything is either an opportunity to grow or an obstacle to keep you from growing. You get to choose.